In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Asana in your workflow to organize tasks, track progress, and manage your daily work in one place. Start on a desktop or laptop and log in to your Asana account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click Projects. This is where all your work will live. Next, click Create Project, then choose Blank Project so you're starting from a clean slate and building only what you need. Give your project a clear, descriptive name that matches your workflow, like marketing plan, product launch, or daily operations. This makes it easy to find later and keeps your team aligned on what belongs here. Before you continue, choose the project's privacy setting. Decide whether it should be visible only to you, to a specific team, or to your entire organization. When you're ready, click Create Project. Inside your new project, begin by adding your main tasks. Click Add Task and start listing the key pieces of work you want to manage here. Keep task names action-oriented and specific to make them easy to scan and execute. As you add tasks, assign each one using the Assignee column. Assignments clarify ownership and help tasks show up on the right person's radar. Next, set deadlines using the Due Date column. Choose realistic dates and use them to create urgency and structure. Due dates make it possible to prioritize and plan your week effectively. To capture more context, click Add Field at the top of the project to add fields like priority, status, or time tracking if you need them. Priority helps you and your team know what to tackle first. Status gives quick visibility into progress, and time tracking can help with estimating and reporting. Now, streamline your workflow with automation. Click Customize in the top right corner, then select Rules. Rules let Asana do the repetitive work for you. Click Create Rule or Create with AI Studio. Choose a trigger, like when a task is assigned or when a due date changes, then pick an action, such as setting a priority, updating a status, or moving a task to a section. Save the rule, and Asana will run it automatically from now on. Finally, use My Tasks from the left sidebar to see everything assigned to you across this workflow in a single list. This becomes your personal command center, so you always know what's next, what's due soon, and where to focus. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.